Hey guys, we're here to show you how it works. So first, click into the product page, and when you scroll till the end of the product description, you'll get to find a size chart. The sizing scheme is sectioned by color sizes. Each color size is allocated with a set of measurements from our standard sizing. Simply pick your shirt size based on a normal color size. Once you get there, click Next Step, and a pop-up window will then show up, offering you the options to further customize the fit. Working with the default measurements provided as a starting point. You may also choose to make finer adjustments to the waist, shirt length, and sleeve length within a range of -2 to +4 centimeters. The adjustments will be reflected on the final summary. One thing we'd like to remind you is to ensure your shirt chest size to be at least 10 centimeters wider than your actual chest measurement. Otherwise, a size up would be recommended for better comfort. Once you're done with the choices, you may click Add to Cart and check out. The next time you shop with us again, simply check your previous order email or drop us an email if you'd like to trace back your previous order record. Thank you very much.